Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete a DAG in Apache Airflow. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and comment. To delete a DAG in Airflow, first you need to pause it, then remove the metadata and then remove the file. So let's start. First we go to Airflow UI, search for our DAG. First we pause it. If you want to pause the DAG via CLI, you can use this command: airflow DAGs pause and then the name of the DAG, like DAG. Now we need to delete it. Delete a DAG. So for example, you can see that this option will delete all metadata with exception of logs. You press OK. And now you need to go to the file. In my case, this is the file test1 that is for DAG222, and you need to remove it. If you don't remove the file, the scheduler later will pick up the file and you still will be able to see this DAG in Airflow UI, but you will not have all metadata because you deleted it with this action, delete a DAG. So if you want to delete a DAG, you always need to delete also the file, or you can add a Airflow ignore file and add the path to that file. So now after deleting the file, our DAG is completely deleted. You can also delete a DAG, a metadata from that DAG using CLI, using this command. It will be airflow DAGs delete and then the name of the DAG, like this. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.